Hey, knowledge lovers! Today we're reviewing the Excel skills for business specialization, a 4-course pathway designed to turn you into the person everyone asks for help with spreadsheets and dashboards. The link to access this course is in the video description. Let's dive in. What this specialization covers. The curriculum takes you from confident navigation of Excel's interface to building clean, reliable models that answer real business questions. You'll learn how to enter, format, and validate data, write formulas and functions, visualize results with charts and tables, and design error-resistant spreadsheets that other people can actually use. By the end, you should be comfortable analyzing datasets, summarizing results for stakeholders, and packaging your work as easy-to-read dashboards, skills that translate directly to roles in operations, finance, marketing, HR, and beyond. Course 1, Excel Essentials. You start with the foundations, navigating the ribbon and quick access toolbar, entering and formatting data, and working with tables so your spreadsheets stay organized as they grow. You'll also master the building blocks of calculation, relative versus absolute references, order of operations, and named ranges for clarity. Core functions include sum, average, min, max, count, countif, if, and basic text and date functions. You'll practice quick analyses with sorting, filtering, and conditional formatting. Then wrap findings in tidy professional charts that communicate at a glance. Course 2, Intermediate I. Here the focus shifts to transforming messy, real-world data into analysis-ready tables. You'll learn VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, index match, and multi-criteria lookups. Text tools like left, right, mid, trim, concat, and datemaf for reporting periods and aging. You'll also build guardrails with data validation, error trapping if error, and structured references in Excel tables. The result: fewer broken formulas, faster updates, and models your teammates can trust. Remember, if you're interested, you'll find the link to the best price in the video description. Course 3, Intermediate 2. This course is all about turning raw data into insight. You'll create pivot tables and pivot charts, add slicers and timelines for interactive filtering, and group data to highlight trends. You'll explore chart choices that fit the story, clustered columns versus lines, combo charts, sparklines, and learn labeling that avoids clutter. You'll then assemble a clean dashboard, consistent number formats, color used sparingly, and layouts that guide the eye from headline KPIs to supporting detail. Expect to present results that managers can read in under a minute. Course 4, Advanced Excel. Now you'll tackle more complex decisions with nested logic, sum product, and where supported, dynamic arrays like filter, unique, sort. You'll use GoalSeek and Scenario Manager for what-if analysis. Then step up to Solver for basic optimization problems, such as staffing, inventory, or product mix. Forecasting modules cover moving averages and exponential smoothing, along with good habits, holdout tests, seasonality checks, and clear caveats, so you don't overclaim precision. You'll finish with a robust model plus documentation other people can follow. Who this is for? If you're a beginner or a self-taught user who wants to replace slow, manual steps with reliable, repeatable workflows, you'll feel right at home. A recent desktop version of Excel, Windows or Mac OS, is ideal. Most lessons map to Microsoft 365 features, and alternatives are noted when versions differ. My honest take: this specialization earns its reputation because it teaches how professionals really use Excel. Clean structure first, then functions, then communication. The pacing is friendly, the practice files are well designed, and the dashboard focus makes your work immediately useful. The only watch-outs: advanced features can vary by Excel version, and genuine skill comes from doing the exercises. Plan to practice, not just watch. If you stick with the projects and keep a tidy portfolio, you'll walk away with tangible, job-ready proof that you can analyze data and present clear, credible results. You can obtain this specialization without a one-time payment simply by purchasing a Coursera Plus subscription, which offers access to this course and more than 7,000 other courses by paying a monthly or annual fee. The link with the best price will be in the video description. Until next time, knowledge lovers,